This video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install EA Sports program for Windows. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, for you to download this app, you need to go ahead and visit the official ea.com website, and from here you can now download this program. However, there is no direct way to get this program downloaded or installed on your computer. So to get the installer, head over to games here and then choose your platform. So we have various platforms such as PC, that is your personal computer, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, mobile, as well as Pogo. I'll go ahead and choose PC because I want to download for my computer. And now we have here download EA app. So if I go ahead and click on download EA app, this will go ahead and download the latest version of EA app here, and you can see the installer will be right on your computer under downloads or any file that normally receives downloads. From here, go ahead and now double click on this installer to run it, and then accept the terms and conditions, and it will be installed. As you can see, mine has been installed here. Now if I go ahead and launch it, this is my official EA Sports FC program on my Windows computer. So that's how you can download and install EA Sports FC on your Windows computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.